What's going on with the good old people, man? It is now 6/19, January 2nd, 2025. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to everybody, first of all. I'm just here with another one like the other one. I forgot to do my intro yesterday, so I'm going to just do it right now, and I'm going to go ahead and edit it up. You feel me? Just like that. Went out to the car show yesterday. Good LA car show. They had the lowriders out. They had the classics out. They had them Grand Nationals. You know what Kendrick say? All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Fuck being rational. Give them what they asked for. It's not enough. You feel me? But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I'm finna just get right to it. You feel me? And I'm gonna get with y'all later. Yeah, we done made it out here to Sunday Fun Day. Well, nah, this ain't even Sunday Fun Day. Happy New Year's, y'all. Oh, mama. Fuck, I'm talking about a Sunday Fun Day. Out here. I just had to get that SS right there, though. You feel me? Because that's clean. I ain't even gonna lie. That's clean right there. Okay. You got the Camaro. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. And it's not enough. Oh, we got the Lambo out here. We got the Lambo out here. Show for show. They bringing them cars out. Most definitely. Bikes, cars, trucks. I like baby bar right there. Can we get some New Year switches out here, man? Can we get some New Year switches out here? Can we get some New Year switches? That's a little something. Hey, yeah, we out here. I done made it out the car. Gonna start harassing these people. Yeah, got that 454. And I got the Chevy with the 454 in the hood. 454 SS, stop playing. Got the Maros out. What a beauty. Good Maros. Good Maros. You feel me? Yeah, man. So this is my first voiceover, I guess, because audio messed up some way, somehow. I don't even know. I was recording on my phone. But yeah, I'm out here. I done made it out here to the Sunday, not the Sunday Fun Day, New Year's, the car show on New Year's, LA car show. It's a habit. If you're from LA, then you know. Every time it's a group of cars, we don't care if it's a Monday through Saturday, we gonna call it Sunday Fun Day. But yeah, look at this old school right here. You feel me? That's what I was on. Yeah, I know me, man. I'm out there doing what I do. You feel me? Yeah, man, we got the Camaros over there. I'm waiting until I walk over there. Boom. Yeah, so I walk up on this car right here. This is a Chevy. That's a 1957, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Excuse me, pull this chair up. Yeah, it's a 1957, man. It's cool, you know, telling them Happy New Year's and all that. Yeah, man. Then we walk up on this car right here. I'm kind of bad with old school. I'm still learning my old schools, y'all. Y'all got to work with me. Y'all have to work with me on here. You feel me? All right. You got to work with me. That's clean, though. I ain't going to lie. Look at the wheels on it. It's real clean right there. Look at the one behind it, too. That's the Lolo. That's the lowrider right there. It's that Impala. Just don't know what year. Both of them are Impalas. If y'all know what year, man, comment, let me know. School me, man. School me on these old schools. I'm trying to get me a lowrider next year. Like, I don't know. I don't want to call every Impala a 6'4". All right. So now we over here. Got some more old school, more lowriders. Monte Carlos, more Impalas. You feel me? That's a Regal, I believe. I'm always trying to get somebody to hit their switches. But yeah, man, that's about it for that. I'm finna probably speed up the video right here real quick because it's like so long. What's going on, my nigga, though, man? You know, man. Hey, yeah, man. So we out here. Happy New Year to y'all. We got the baby out. Hey, what's up, son? I'm finna go get back in the middle of the street, do a walkthrough. You feel me? Show y'all what's going on. Cold line up. Got the cold line up with the 3-wheel motion right there. Cold line up. This motherfucker clean right here. I ain't gonna lie. See that, son? Alright, class, this motherfucker right here, boy, so icy. Like, look at him. Oh my God. Wow. Uh-oh, you can't touch that one, son. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. I'm motherfucking sitting in the blow. I should break it. Ooh! little problems. It happens. Gotta fix the toys. You know, this how you know when you got money. You feel me? When you got money, when you pull your truck, hold on, let me fix that. When you got a truck to pull your car. You feel me? I'm really trying to see what's up in this motherfucker. He ain't gonna show us what's up in that motherfucker. Turbochargers. Hey, so we out here. Our gang popped out, fucked with me. You feel me? Hey, yeah, we out here though. It's getting dark out. Cars still popping out. You feel me? Lowriders all in and out the building. I swear, y'all, I'm getting me a lowrider this year. Watch, I'm gonna save my money up and get me a lowrider. Look at this one right here, though. This one's so clean. Oh man, he got the good backup camera. He seen niggas coming. Stop playing with him. He seen us coming. Look at that Benzo with the 4Gs on it, though. Stop playing. That's how you know you got money. You see that you recording? Oh, on Mama's, yeah. You got my nigga AV with the camera. And that's how you know you got money. Get that right there, AV. You feel me? When you pulling up like that. On Mama's. Right here. Nice. That's crazy right there. These is crazy. Hey, so is this a Harley? That's hard right there. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to you, my boy. This shit going crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at this one right here, though. This shit going crazy. All that on it. Hey, you ain't from LA if you don't know this car. You feel me? Oh, me. Hey, niggas out here. I seen a couple niggas out here too. Seen a couple homies out here. They gotta give me a lowrider, AV. They gotta give me a lowrider, fool. Yeah, man, it's the city, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Welcome to 2025, LA. We out here. You already know. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. What Kendrick say? It's not enough. Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. He got the bikes out here. What's up with my nigga, man? What's up with it, my nigga? Good. Happy New Year to y'all. This motherfucker right here, icy. Fuck my shoes, I have rubber on my shoes. Look at the color scheme on this though. Hey, this shit popping, bro. Good cat. You hear me? Good cat out on 4Gs. Better stop playing. That's a good cat out on 4Gs. I'm trying to see who all out here, man. What we talking about? My boy said he about to get cracking. Good spin. Oh me, that nigga said get the fuck out the way. Red up. That's gonna get him out of the way. Look at the lowrider. Got out of there. The lowrider moved fast. Oh, that's an active crew member right there. Oh, mama. That's an active crew member. Shout out Stacks. Shout out Stacks. Active crew. I'm gonna do that for you, Stacks. Come on. My boys say get the fuck out the way because he about to spin this shit. Hey, Tiptoe Television in this motherfucking out y'all tour out. Hey, tell these niggas to be on, man. I'm telling you. Sit there, man. I'm mad I ain't got my GoPro. Your shit don't go, nigga. You already know. I'm trying to get my shit built by Dre too. It's good, it's good. Man, tell these niggas we out here farming. Man, they got it going. I should have been walked down here. Yeah, 18 hours. The whole time. I waited on these niggas to pull up. Oh man, he scared the shit out of me. Hey, I thought it was over on camera. I thought it was over on camera. I'm like, oh fuck. This nigga was coming straight up. I'm like, oh shit. That's that big boy. Nah, he ain't about to spin that motherfucker at that golf cart back there. That's dangerous. Come on, man, niggas gotta hit that pit. Niggas gotta hit that pit. Hey, yeah, look, hey, y'all see that? The sheriff is here. Oh, mama. Sheriff is here. I'm gonna make my way back to my car. Long live dog. Here sitting up hot, you feel me? Wow. You know, I just gotta get the Lolo line, you feel me? Always remember that I'm west side like a Lolo. Johnny's is here, boy, let me tell you. Mater. Happy New Year. And I'm back to the ghetto. You can take my body, my soul at the ghetto. And go off. Know I like to show off. On the road, the riches gotta murder these niggas.